Okay, so this is what it's going to look like once you applied for your EIN. Like I said, save it as a right click and save it as a PDF on your computer somewhere safe where you can get access to it anytime. You're going to need this for your business bank account if you want to open one, and you're going to need it for other business related things. So make sure that you save this and print a few copies. I'm going to blur out my EIN because, as you can see, this is personal information, but this is what it looks like. It's 2 sheets. The bottom sheet shows you, who to contact if you need to edit anything. But pretty much this is it. You get your EIN number, make sure you save it, and this is what you're going to use to open your bank account for other business related stuff. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and let's get started. Oh, one more disclaimer: I'm not an attorney. I'm not a professional. Businesses are different. This is what I'm going to do this is what I did for my box truck business and for my dispatch business. There might be certain different options that you will need to do if you decide to watch this video and do it for another business, but it's pretty much the same for all businesses. So make sure you pay attention and read everything when you do this. Hey, what's up, folks? Sorry I've been away for a while. I haven't had time to make a video. And this video, I was supposed to make it a long time ago, and I'm going to show you how to get your EIN number for your business, for your trucking business. This is an easy process. It's 100% free. You get it instantly, and it only takes like 5 minutes to do. If you look here, you see all these ads pretending to be, a government agency, but they're not. They'll put IRS, gov, einnumber.com, IRS, EIN tax ID. These are just fake websites. They charge you $100 for, and actually the same questions. The only thing they do is file it on your behalf. Actually, the same amount of questions, and charge you $100 to file something you can do for yourself. If you scroll down from all this nonsense, you're going to see right here, it says apply for an employer identification number, and it's irs.gov. It's not a .com, it's not a .net or none of that. Make sure you look for irs.gov. You're going to click apply for an employer identification number. It's going to take you to this page. It used to be 24 hours, but now I see it's Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern time. I'm in Ohio. I filed for my LLC the other night, and I got it like within hours in the morning in my email. Ohio's pretty fast with doing this. I'm rebranding my business, not my logistics, my dispatching business. I'm rebranding it, changing the name, making it shorter and more brandable. So this is what I'm doing. When I get a chance, I'll go back and blur out my sensitive information, but I'm gonna show you step by step on how to do this. If you scroll down, you're going to click apply online now. It's going to take you to this page. You're going to click OK. It's going to tell you, perjury and what you're submitting is true. We're going to begin application. This is for an LLC. We're going to do this for an LLC since most trucking companies start as LLC. You can do sole proprietor. You can do other partnerships and corporations, but we're going to go with limited liability. Hit continue. This is some more information. We are LLC, so we're going to keep going, continue. This is going to be a single member. We're going to select Ohio. I'm in Ohio. And then hit continue. This is explaining that the IRS considers a single member LLC as a disregarded entity. And that's what you're going to see on your EIN and your taxes. So we're going to hit continue. Started a business is what we're going to do. You can do, there's different reasons to file for it, but we're starting a new one. So we started a new business, hit continue. We're going to fill out your first name here, last name here, and then you're going to put your social security number. This is the person, put your real social security number, and they're going to give you an EIN, which is a social security number for a business, but you need your real information here. And this is here, I am the one member, single member, or I am a third party. Those are those ads I showed you that charges $100 to do this for you. So I'm going to pause the video here and fill this out since this is my sensitive data, and then I'll start the video back up again. Okay, so here we are on the next page. This is where the LLC is located. If you watch my other video, I show you how to find an office. You can use virtual offices, but Google, like I said, Google Business is cracking down on those and won't let you list your business on Google, which is important. You can use your home if your LLC is at home. That's fine. Mine is an office. I pay 110 bucks a month, and this is what I'm going to use here. You're going to put the street, city, your territory, zip code, phone number for for your LLC. And if you want a different address from above, let's say you put your business address here and you have a mailing, you want your mail to go to your house. I put my business address here, and once you do all this, you're going to click next. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this, and then I'll see you on the next page. Okay, so now on the next page, the details, you're going to put the LLC information. You're going to put the LLC name here, or if you have a DBA doing business as here, for here, you're going to put your example business LLC, the county, the state, and then you're going to hit the state again for here, and then you're going to put the month and start date of your LLC. This should be on your certificate. The day that it went active is the day it went live. So you're going to enter this information here. I'm going to pause this, and then I'll see you on the next page, which is the EIN confirmation. Here's the next part that I almost forgot about. It's going to ask you questions like, does your business own a highway motor vehicle with a taxable gross weight of 55,000 or more? This is usually for semis. I'm doing this for a box truck business, and for a dispatch business, which we don't have right now. We don't have, it's dispatch, and it's separate from my trucking business. And I would recommend always separate your trucking business from your dispatch business, because if as you know, trucking can be insurance is high. There's a lot of accidents that happen, and you don't want to lose your dispatch business because you had an accident and you're being sued for your trucking business. So always separate your businesses. This is for my dispatches. No. Does it involve gambling or wagering? Nope. Do you need to file Form F-70? For me is no. I don't sell tobacco, firearms, or anything like that. Do you have or need to have any employees who will receive W-2 in the next 12 months? I'm going to put no. This is a new company. I'm starting myself. And then we're going to hit continue. Okay. Here's some more stuff here relating to your business. I mean, you can do this for anything. This is accommodation, construction, finance, food service, healthcare, insurance, real estate, retail, social, transportation, air transportation, rail transportation, water, trucking, transportation, and delivery or courier service. So we're going to go with the trucking. Hit continue. And then, do you primarily transport cargo or passengers? I provide a support activity for transportation. So we're going to click here, and then we're going to type in dispatch services. And if you're doing this for your box truck company, you're going to definitely put cargo. But like I said, this one's for my dispatch, and we're rebranding. So we'll put dispatch services, continue. And this is right here. This is where you're going to say receive the letter online. You can receive it by mail. It's going to take 4 weeks. What I do is I put receive letter online. And what it does, it's going to show you, it's going to give you your EIN number instantly. And you take and you save that as a PDF and print a few copies of these out and put them in your filing cabinet. So we're pretty much done. We didn't have to pay a dime for this. As you can see, it only takes a few minutes. And receive online. I have my printer hooked up. I'll right click it. I'll download it. I'll print a few copies to keep, and you're good. You're done. You're gonna get your EIN number. So instead of your Social Security, always use this for your business when you're applying for a DUNS number for credit, for a banking number. When you get your business credit account, you're gonna need this number. So make sure you save this, because once you leave this page, you're not gonna be able to come back to it. Okay. So make sure you right click it, save it to your desk, save a few copies, and print out a few copies so you can keep in your filing cabinet, and you're pretty much done. All I have to do is hit continue. So I'm going to end the video here because, like I said, this is sensitive information for my business, and I don't want to just put it out there, and I really don't want to waste a ton of time blurring things out. So this is the final step. You hit continue. You have your EIN number, and you can do the mail thing, but like I said, it takes 4 weeks. You don't want to wait 4 weeks to open a bank account. Read it online, download it, and then print some out, and then that's what you're going to use for your business. So we're pretty much done here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know, or if you need a video that you want me to produce, and when I get a chance, I'll go ahead and do it, and we'll go from there.